Hey Money.com users, my name is Lydia and I'm founder of Workflow Magic, a Money.com implementation partner. And today I'm going to walk you through a workflow that we built out for our clients that automates their proposal process, automates their contract process, and automates their invoicing process. So the workflow begins with a form right here that's preset with all the contact information and information about the proposal. So we'll go here and press submit, pop on over to the board, and we'll see the form information populate to this board right here. And we'll go over here and press generate proposal. And what we'll notice happen right in this document will happen in this file right here is it will generate the proposal. And we can see in this proposal, it's pulling in all of the information that we filled out on the form, contact info, pricing. And we will come in here and we'll open up here and we will open up DocuSign and send the document out for signature. Send the envelope, ask us who we want to send it to, and continue. And we'll add the recipient here. Add in the signature field and press send. We'll now watch for this status column to change automatically to sent. And we'll see it automatically change to sent, move down to the sent group, and we will sign the document on our end. Document has now been sent, and we'll wait for this to automatically change to completed. Automatically change to completed, drop to the completed group, and the final document is uploaded right into that file column. In the next 60 seconds, we will receive the invoice. Pop over here, and then there is the invoice asking us to pay, all through QuickBooks. A quick and easy process to automate your proposal process, automate your contract process, and automate your invoicing process. So if you think this workflow can be applied to you and your processes, reach out to us to help you set it up.